Hello students, today let's learn about AM spectrum and trapezoidal patterns. Myself, Dr.V.K.Bairagi, working as professor in ENTC department of AISSMS Institute of Information Technology, Pune. In our previous video, we have studied about AM and its time domain and frequency domain representation. In this session, we will learn about trapezoidal pattern display as an alternative to the envelope method to display the AM signal. In previous sessions, we have seen that in single tone modulation, only one frequency is used as modulating frequency, whereas in multitone modulating system, multiple frequencies are used as modulating signal. For example, in musical shows, there are multiple signal sources generating at same time. Observing amplitude modulated signals in the time domain using oscilloscope is a difficult task because it is difficult to synchronize the time sweep. Non-periodic signals like voice signal are observed using trapezoidal method, which is usually used to plot Lissajous curves. In this method, the AM signal is fed to channel A and modulating signal is fed to channel B of the oscilloscope. By setting the plotting mode so that the channel A is on vertical axis and channel B is on horizontal axis, one can get the plot of trapezoidal patterns. The diagram shows the AM spectrum and trapezoidal patterns. The left hand side diagram shows AM wave of undermodulated waveform, where the value of M, that is the modulation index, is less than 1. The corresponding trapezoidal pattern is shown in yellow color, where A is the peak-to-peak amplitude of max amplitude of AM wave and B is minimum peak-to-peak amplitude of AM wave. The modulation index M can be calculated as A minus B divided by A plus B. In the case of 100% modulation, where the value of modulating index is 1, trapezoidal pattern is a simple triangle as shown in middle diagram. The right hand figure shows the trapezoidal pattern corresponding to AM spectrum of overmodulation, where the value of M modulation index is greater than 1. One can have such kind of numericals in the form of tutorials. The trapezoidal pattern of figure is obtained when examining the AM wave by an oscilloscope. The value of A and value of B will be given to the students, and from that value, student will be asked to calculate the modulation index of that AM wave. Trapezoidal patterns are easier way to express the AM and its modulation index. Thank you.